Constructed in 1864, the West Cornwall Covered Bridge is 172 feet long, 15 feet wide, and supports one lane of vehicle traffic for the Sharon-Goshen Turnpike. The West Cornwall Covered Bridge, was also known as the Hart Bridge in the past, is a wooden-covered lattice truss bridge carrying the Sharon-Goshen Turnpike over the Housatonic River in the town of Cornwall, Connecticut. Records indicate that the bridge may have been in place in this location as early as 1762. A previous bridge was destroyed in the flood of 1837, and a new bridge was constructed in 1841. This bridge would have also been destroyed, and the current bridge would be completed in around 1864. Modernization of the bridge in 1968 and 1973 has continued to let the bridge handle traffic. It was added to the National Register of Historic Places in 1975. Prior to 1946, the bridge had a square port with a flat top, but this was modified to a gable roof, which remains today. In 1957, the bridge was painted red for the first time. The West Cornwall Covered Bridge is very significant and important as of one of only 3 surviving covered bridges in the state of Connecticut. The bridge modification from the original town lattice represents a unique design that is not repeated in either the Comstocks Bridge or the Bulls Bridge. The covered bridge is perhaps best known for being featured on postcards of New England villages. Terry Miller and Ronald Knapp assert that Charles Ives passed over or by the bridge on the way to Berkshires, which inspired the third movement in the 3 Places in New England. The bridge also appeared in opening scenes of the movie Valley of the Dolls, a 1967 American drama film based on the 1966 novel of the same name by Jacqueline Suzanne.